Welcome. In today's fast-paced world, businesses are constantly seeking ways to improve efficiency and stay ahead of the competition. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has emerged as a powerful tool to automate repetitive tasks, streamline operations, and unlock new growth opportunities. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to use AI to automate your business. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a large enterprise, understanding AI automation can transform the way you work. Let's dive into the basics and set the stage for your automation journey. AI automation refers to the use of artificial intelligence technologies to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like data analysis, customer service, scheduling, and even decision-making. By leveraging AI, businesses can reduce manual labor, minimize errors, and free up employees to focus on more strategic activities. AI automation isn't just about replacing people, it's about enhancing your team's capabilities and driving innovation. Understanding this concept is the first step towards building an automated business. Implementing AI automation in your business comes with a host of benefits. First, it increases efficiency by handling repetitive and time-consuming tasks quickly and accurately. Second, it reduces operational costs by minimizing the need for manual labor. Third, AI can help improve customer experiences by providing faster and more personalized responses. Finally, automation allows your team to focus on creative and high-value work, driving innovation and growth. These advantages make AI automation a smart investment for any business. Before diving into AI automation, it's crucial to assess your business's unique needs. Start by identifying the most repetitive and time-consuming tasks in your daily operations. Consider which processes are prone to human error or require significant manual input. Talk to your team and gather feedback on pain points and bottlenecks. By understanding where automation can have the biggest impact, you'll be able to prioritize your efforts and choose the right AI solutions for your business. Once you've assessed your needs, it's time to set clear automation goals. Define what you want to achieve with AI automation, whether it's reducing costs, improving customer service, or increasing productivity. Make your goals specific, measurable, and achievable. For example, you might aim to reduce customer response times by 50% or automate invoice processing to save 10 hours per week. Clear goals will guide your implementation and help you measure success along the way. With your goals in mind, the next step is to choose the right AI tools for your business. There are many AI solutions available, ranging from chatbots and virtual assistants to advanced data analytics platforms. Consider factors such as ease of integration, scalability, and cost. Research different vendors, read reviews, and request demos to see how each tool fits your needs. Selecting the right technology is key to a successful automation journey. Integrating AI tools with your existing business systems is a critical step. Start by mapping out your current workflows and identifying where AI can be seamlessly introduced. Work closely with your IT team or technology partners to ensure compatibility and minimize disruptions. Proper integration allows AI to access the data and processes it needs to function effectively, maximizing the benefits of automation. Successful AI automation depends on your team's ability to use new tools effectively. Provide comprehensive training to ensure everyone understands how the AI systems work and how they fit into daily operations. Encourage a culture of learning and adaptability, and address any concerns or resistance to change. Empowering your team with the right knowledge and skills will help you get the most out of your AI investment. One of the most popular uses of AI in business is automating customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can handle common inquiries, process orders, and provide instant support around the clock. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also reduces the workload on your human agents. By integrating AI into your customer service channels, you can deliver faster, more consistent, and personalized experiences. Data entry is another area where AI can make a big difference. AI-powered tools can automatically extract, validate, and input data from various sources, reducing manual errors and saving valuable time. This is especially useful for businesses that handle large volumes of invoices, forms, or customer records. Automating data entry not only boosts efficiency, but also ensures greater accuracy in your business operations. AI can revolutionize your marketing efforts by automating campaign management, audience targeting, and performance analysis. With AI-driven tools, you can personalize messages, optimize ad spend, and track results in real time. This allows you to reach the right customers with the right message at the right time, maximizing your marketing ROI. Automation also frees up your marketing team to focus on creative strategy and content development. Sales teams can benefit greatly from AI automation. AI-powered CRM systems can automatically score leads, schedule follow-ups, and provide sales insights based on customer behavior. This helps your sales team prioritize high-potential prospects and close deals faster. By automating routine sales tasks, you enable your team to focus on building relationships and driving revenue. AI can also help you optimize inventory management by predicting demand, tracking stock levels, and automating reordering processes. With real-time data and predictive analytics, you can avoid stockouts and overstock situations, ensuring you always have the right products available. This leads to better customer satisfaction and more efficient use of resources. Financial processes such as invoicing, expense tracking, and payroll can be automated using AI-powered tools. These systems can process transactions, detect anomalies, and generate reports with minimal human intervention. Automating financial tasks not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of errors and fraud, giving you greater control over your business finances. AI can streamline HR processes such as recruitment, onboarding, and performance management. AI-powered platforms can screen resumes, schedule interviews, and even assess candidate fit using data-driven insights. This speeds up hiring and ensures you find the best talent for your business. Automation also helps HR teams focus on employee engagement and development. AI-powered IT support systems can resolve common technical issues, manage tickets, and provide instant troubleshooting. Chatbots and virtual agents can guide users through solutions, reducing the burden on your IT staff. This ensures faster response times and minimizes downtime, keeping your business running smoothly. AI can continuously monitor your business performance by analyzing key metrics and generating real-time reports. With AI-driven dashboards, you can track sales, expenses, customer satisfaction, and more. This enables you to make data-driven decisions quickly and respond to changes in the market with agility. As you automate more processes, data security becomes increasingly important. AI can help protect your business by detecting threats, monitoring network activity, and enforcing security policies. Automated security systems can respond to incidents faster than humans, reducing the risk of data breaches and ensuring compliance with regulations. Once you've successfully automated a few processes, consider scaling your efforts across the business. Look for additional areas where AI can add value and develop a roadmap for expanding automation. Regularly review your systems and update them as new technologies become available. Scaling automation helps you stay competitive and continuously improve your operations. To ensure your automation initiatives are delivering results, it's important to measure success. Track key performance indicators such as time saved, cost reductions, error rates, and customer satisfaction. Use this data to refine your automation strategies and demonstrate the value of AI to stakeholders. Regular measurement keeps your automation efforts aligned with business goals. Implementing AI automation can come with challenges such as resistance to change, integration issues, and data quality concerns. Address these by communicating the benefits of automation, providing adequate training, and working closely with technology partners. Being proactive about potential obstacles will help ensure a smooth transition and long-term success. While AI can automate many tasks, maintaining a human touch is essential for building strong relationships with customers and employees. Use AI to handle routine work, but ensure that complex or sensitive issues are managed by people. This balance creates a seamless experience that combines efficiency with empathy. AI technology is evolving rapidly, with new tools and techniques emerging all the time. Stay informed by following industry news, attending webinars, and networking with other business leaders. Keeping up with the latest trends ensures your automation strategies remain effective and competitive. As you implement AI automation, it's important to consider ethical implications. Ensure your AI systems are transparent, fair, and respect user privacy. Establish clear guidelines for data usage and regularly audit your systems for bias or unintended consequences. Ethical AI use builds trust with customers and protects your business reputation. Let's look at a real-world example. A retail company implemented AI-powered inventory management and customer service chatbots. As a result, they reduced stockouts by 30% and improved customer response times by 60%. This case shows how AI automation can deliver tangible benefits and drive business growth. In the service industry, a company used AI to automate appointment scheduling and feedback collection. This led to a 40% reduction in no-shows and more actionable customer insights. The automation allowed staff to focus on delivering high-quality service, demonstrating the versatility of AI across different sectors. A manufacturing firm adopted AI for predictive maintenance and quality control. By analyzing equipment data, AI predicted failures before they occurred, reducing downtime by 25%. Automated quality checks improved product consistency and customer satisfaction. This example highlights how AI can optimize complex operations. To fully leverage AI automation, foster a culture of innovation within your organization. Encourage employees to experiment with new tools and share their ideas for process improvement. Recognize and reward creative problem-solving. A culture that embraces change will adapt more easily to automation and drive long-term success. Choosing the right AI partners is essential for successful automation. Work closely with vendors to customize solutions for your business needs. Establish clear communication channels and set expectations for support and updates. Strong vendor relationships ensure you get the most value from your AI investments. Every business is unique, so it's important to customize AI solutions to fit your specific requirements. Work with your technology team and vendors to tailor features, integrations, and workflows. Customization ensures that automation aligns with your business processes and delivers the best results. Before rolling out AI automation across your business, start with a pilot project. Test the solution in a controlled environment, gather feedback, and measure results. Use these insights to refine your approach and address any issues before full-scale implementation. Piloting reduces risks and increases the chances of success. User feedback is invaluable when implementing AI automation. Encourage employees and customers to share their experiences and suggestions. Use this input to improve your systems and address any pain points. Continuous feedback ensures your automation solutions remain user-friendly and effective. AI automation is not a one-time project. Regularly review your systems, update algorithms, and incorporate new features as technology evolves. Encourage a mindset of continuous improvement to keep your business agile and responsive to changing needs. This approach ensures long-term value from your automation investments. Change management is crucial for successful AI automation. Communicate clearly with your team about the reasons for automation and the benefits it brings. Provide support during the transition and address any concerns promptly. Effective change management minimizes resistance and ensures a smooth adoption process. Budgeting is an important aspect of AI automation. Consider both initial setup costs and ongoing expenses such as software licenses, maintenance, and training. Plan your budget carefully to ensure you have the resources needed for successful implementation and future upgrades. As you automate processes, ensure compliance with industry regulations and data protection laws. Work with legal and compliance teams to review your AI systems and update policies as needed. Staying compliant protects your business from legal risks and builds trust with customers. Cloud technology plays a key role in AI automation by providing scalable infrastructure and easy access to powerful tools. Cloud-based AI solutions are often more cost-effective and flexible, allowing you to scale up or down as your business needs change. Leveraging the cloud ensures your automation efforts are future-proof and adaptable. Combining AI with the Internet of Things, IoT, can unlock new automation possibilities. IoT devices collect real-time data from equipment, vehicles, or products, while AI analyzes this data to optimize operations. For example, AI can automate maintenance schedules based on sensor data, improving efficiency and reducing costs. AI can analyze vast amounts of business data to uncover trends, patterns, and opportunities. Use AI-driven analytics to inform strategic decisions, identify new markets, and optimize resource allocation. Turning data into actionable insights gives your business a competitive edge. AI can automate compliance monitoring by continuously checking business processes against regulatory requirements. Automated alerts notify you of potential issues, allowing you to address them proactively. This reduces the risk of noncompliance and helps maintain a strong reputation. Managing documents can be time-consuming, but AI can automate tasks such as sorting, tagging, and retrieving files. AI-powered document management systems improve organization, reduce manual effort, and make it easier to find important information when you need it. Procurement processes, such as supplier selection and order management, can be automated with AI. These systems analyze supplier performance, predict demand, and streamline purchasing workflows. Automation leads to better supplier relationships and more efficient procurement operations. AI-powered project management tools can assign tasks, track progress, and predict project risks. Automation helps project managers stay on top of deadlines, allocate resources efficiently, and ensure successful project delivery. This leads to better outcomes and higher team productivity. The future of AI automation is bright, with new advancements on the horizon. As AI becomes more sophisticated, businesses will be able to automate even more complex tasks and unlock new opportunities for growth. Staying informed and adaptable will help you make the most of these exciting developments. In summary, AI automation offers tremendous potential for businesses of all sizes. By following a step-by-step approach, assessing needs, setting goals, choosing the right tools, and continuously improving, you can transform your operations and achieve lasting success. Start small, learn from each stage, and scale your efforts as you gain confidence. The journey to AI-powered automation begins today.